welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So today we're gonna try to restore this out, make it nice and shiny and clean. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna spray it with what's it called? For some degreaser on it, and rinse it out good, get all these rocks out of here, clean it out good. It's really dirty and faded, so that's what we're gonna do today on this video. It might be a short video, just a little cleanup, you know, but yeah, let's get to it. I'll take this to the outside. Alright guys, so we're gonna clean up the white pipe and the intercooler with some water and soap, and then we do some degreaser, see if it takes more of the grease out. But before that, I'm gonna scrub it with this, take all the grease out before we use the water and soap. Take the gaskets out too, huh? Put them on the side. I'm afraid they're gonna break. Feel like they're glued to it. Yeah. I don't know if I want to do that right now because I still haven't ordered them. I'm still waiting for them to come in through the mail. But you can see, took all the grease out. Rinse it out with water. For the cleaning, I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse, make it faster, quicker. Rinse them out. guys could see the difference. Nice. Not black no more. So we're applying this on it to buff it out, make it shiny. And it's the mother aluminum. And then with the drill, you have one of this and just go for it. Like you see, it's already taking all the black stuff out, making it shiny. And then you just wipe it down with the towel after you're done. So it looks like we're making progress. Look at that. That was really dull. Getting shinier. Better. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let me put some light, that way you guys see the difference. See that? Haven't done anything to this side. You see how it looks? All flat. Especially up here. And then you got shiny. The camera doesn't really do the job, but it looks way better than it was instead of looking black. But we're getting there. Alright guys, this is the last step, and I'll be showing you guys the final product. How it looks. So this will be the last thing to do. Pop this out. Make sure you guys get into it. Push it hard. That works pretty good. You guys can see already, getting shiny. And by the way, this is pretty good, even if I'm not getting sponsored by them, but it was perfect for aluminum and to get them nice and polished. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you, we're gonna go from this to this. What do you guys think? It's pretty good down. I'll show you guys on the front. I think we did a pretty good job. Alright guys, so today we got this cleaned out hella good. Look at that thing. Freaking shiny as fuck. I like it. But what do you guys think?